folks. So we're chilling out here. You got Eddie over there. You got everybody down there hanging out at the Vanetarium. Right here you got my boy Jay. He's out here jamming out on the guitar. He knows how to play that thing, baby. So anyways, we're having a good time here. A few more things we got to fix on the Vanetarium as the day goes on. But things are going good. So I'm going to jam out with him, hang out with them, get some work done, and get back to you in a little while. Later, folk. Hey, folk, how's it going? Did a little more work on the Vanetarium today, and somewhat fixed this light over here. Didn't quite turn out the way I wanted it to. It does look better, and I got it more flush. It used to like really pop out, and just it was crazy. But I got it a lot more secure, and I made it look quite a bit better. This is going to be a quick one, just a quick video I wanted to put out. For people who have been on this channel for a while, and if you've watched some of my older videos, you may know I have a great deal of respect for our police, first responders, and military. And I just saw the Colorado thing. Eric Talley was an officer that was shot there. He was the first on scene, and he was 51 years old, 7 children, and his youngest, I believe, was 7 years old. And I just want to give a shout out to him and his family, and thank him for his service, for being an officer and showing up and doing his job and giving the ultimate sacrifice to possibly save people. This is one of the reasons I have a great deal of respect. I know sometimes it can seem like they're harassing and everything and just going out and this and that, especially when we're being knuckleheads. But, you know, these guys have a dangerous job. They never know what they're walking into. So I respect them. But anyways, God bless him. God bless his family. And hope to God we can stop this stuff. But anyways, that's going to be it today. I just felt I wanted to say something on that. And hopefully off to something good tomorrow. I have no idea. It's going to be, we are getting a little bit of rain, so I'm not sure. But I think I got a spot I want to go to. I got a few spots I want to go to. And we have beautiful, beautiful weather coming up. So be doing a lot of hiking. But anyways, till next time, that's going to be about it. So don't forget, always forward to the next adventure. The vlog is down.